The Clarke CBG8W Whetstone grinder is the ideal grinder to help keep drill bits, chisels, scissors, knives, shears and more in tip-top condition. Finely sharpened cutting tools improve your work, require less effort and are safer to use. This heavy-duty whetstone grinder helps to keep your tools razor sharp by offering both dry and wet treatments to obtain the smoothest of finishes. The 150mm coarse grit dry stone is ideal for initial grinding and removing nicks and burrs from the cutting edge of your tool. An adjustable spark arrestor and eye shield permits good visibility of your work, while protecting the operator from flying particles. An adjustable tool rest supports your work. The slowly rotating 200mm whetstone runs in a water bath and offers extra fine finishing of your sharpened edge. Powered by a 275-watt, 230-volt motor, the CBG8W rotates the dry grinding stone at 2,960 RPM and the whetstone at 135 RPM. With its durable construction and prominent base-mounted on-off switch, along with the integral water trough, the Clarke CBG8W Whetstone grinder will give you many hours of constructive sharpening.